Why you need to start content creation in 2026? Don't joke with this post. I'm begging you in the name of God. Don't joke with this post. Number one video can change your life. One video post, trust me, it will change your life. Go and ask other content creators. All right, one video post will change your life. You can see from the earning you are seeing there. You can see you can post just one video, and that video will go viral, and that video will make you money that you can use that money to buy car. You can use that money to buy a house for yourself. All you just need to do is post. Even though you are brushing teeth, post. Even though you are wearing clothes, post. Whatever things you are doing, you do what? You post. Don't wait. Number two, algorithms favors beginners. If you are a newcomer to content creating, algorithm will favor you more than the old takers. Do you know why? Because you are coming in with new ideas, and this is what Facebook love. You don't understand? Facebook love people with new ideas. So whatever things you are doing, if it is walking around, if it is vlog you want to be doing, your daily life, make video from it, post. Call your kids together, make videos with them, post. One of that video can go viral, and that video will get you content monetization, and that video will earn you money, and that money will change your life for good. Very, very important. Number three, you don't need permission. You don't need to submit CV. Nobody will sack you from anywhere. This is Facebook. All you just have to do is create a Facebook account, create a Facebook page, and start posting. They will not sack you. You don't need any experience before you start posting on Facebook and you start earning. Don't wait until you have iPhone 17 or iPhone 16 or iPhone 14. No, with your Android phone. With your Android phone, you can start creating content. Start content creating with any phone that is with you there. Just start something. Don't wait until you have it all before you start content creating. In this 2026, make sure you start content creating. All right. And the last one that I will say is, consistency beats talent. This one is very, very important. A lot of people think it's by talent. It's not by talent. Check the life of John Best. He's one of my boss and I love him so much. His effort. John Best is somebody that creates content and he drops no less than 5 videos every day. John Best drop content with his family. He has a wife and a kids. So they will just make some kind of funny content. Before you know, go and check John Best page. You see what I'm telling you. Just a little video. Some daily funny life activities. John Best will post and they will hit over 1 million views. They are cashing out. All right. They are cashing out. So sometimes you think you have talent, you drop video today till next week. No. Whatever you know how to create them, post them consistently. Post no less than 3 to 5 videos every day and you'll be getting results. All right. So make sure you share this video. Don't joke with 2026 that is coming. Start content creating, and trust me, even though you are doing other work, make sure you start content creating. Don't joke with it. Very, very important. Share this video, like this video, and see you in my next video. One love.